Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel TWH Academy. Today we are going to learn about difference between informal and formal words, that how can we use these words in our conversation. So without wasting our time, let's start it. Lack, deficiency, chance, opportunity, put in, insert, mad, insane, say sorry, apologize, idea, notion, show, demonstrate, enough, sufficient, put up, tolerate, job, occupation, go up, increase, set up, establish, find out, discover, need to, required, cheap, inexpensive, wrong, incorrect, right, correct, smart, intelligent, loaded, rich, really big, considerable, okay, acceptable, I think, in my opinion. So alright guys, I hope you will like my video. Thanks for watching my this video. If you are fresh on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting my new videos. If anyone is interested in online tuition, then he or she can contact me by email, which is showing on your screen. See you soon with next topic. Allah Hafiz.